Good morning and welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 a.m. We have some cloudy conditions out there this morning as well as some cold temperatures. We'll have temperatures rising into the mid-40s today and a chance of rain showers by the early afternoon into the late afternoon hours. And we'll have a colder air mass moving into the Wallops region by this evening, and that could change our rain showers to some snow showers or possibly a wintry mix across the region. Not expecting any accumulation here at Wallops. Could see a light dusting across the central portions and a bit more snow across the northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. If we take a look at the conditions of the past 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region, we are seeing temperatures varying for highs anywhere from the lower 40s to the mid-50s. Richmond was the warm spot at 55 degrees. Baltimore at 41 degrees was the cool spot yesterday. Here at Wallops, we were at 48 degrees. Last night we did see temperatures anywhere from the lower 20s to the mid-30s. Most locations across the Delmarva Peninsula were in the 20s last night. Dover, the cool spot at 22 degrees. And Dover did see some snowfall yesterday, overnight of Wednesday into Thursday. And they did see an inch of snowfall. That allowed for them to see a little bit cooler temperatures in the general area. Here at Wallops we saw 27 degrees. The tidewater did remain in the 30s last night. And with that, a little bit of snowfall they had continuing on into yesterday morning. They saw 1/100 of an inch at Dover. As of 9 a.m. we are seeing anywhere from cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures only rebounding into the upper 20s to the lower to mid 30s in general across the region. Here at Wallops we're 34 degrees. Cloudy skies as of 9 a.m. Looking at our December temperatures, we're currently 1.18 degrees below normal. That's primarily thanks due to the colder conditions we had around the 8th, 9th, and 10th of December with the wintry precipitation we had across the region. We did have highs in the 30s on the 9th, and that really allowed for our temperatures to be below normal for the month. That deviation from normal on that one day did allow us to be a little bit below normal for this currently this time of the month. Looking for the rest of the month, looks like we'll have a time period where we're slightly below normal for the next few days, and then we'll have above normal time period, it looks like, for the few days before Christmas. And then once we get towards Christmas, the models are kind of in a battle of whether we'll have above normal temperatures or below normal conditions across the region, as a strong cold front will be trying to sweep through the center and the eastern portion of the country, just depending on how far that gets. So we'll be continuing to monitor to see how far we are above or below normal for December for the rest of the month. Looking at our 12Z sounding from this morning, our freezing level was at the surface. We have northeasterly winds at 15 knots at 1,000 feet. Winds turn out of the west-southwest as we get up into the mid-levels, increasing to 58 knots at 12,000 feet. And we have a peak wind this morning at 25,000 feet at 93 knots. Looking at our surface analysis, as of 12Z this morning, we do have a weak area of low pressure starting to develop off the North Carolina coast. That's going to provide us with our chances of rain showers for this afternoon into the late afternoon hours, and possibly even some snow showers across the region for the evening hours today. That area of low pressure is going to continue to slide off towards the northeast for our overnight time period and be out of our weather pattern by tomorrow, with just high pressure building in to the Wallops region. Looking at our surface observations this morning, we do have winds becoming from the north to the northeast this morning. That's allowing us to warm up here at Wallops, seeing temperatures in the mid-30s this morning as of 9 a.m. as I mentioned. And we're going to continue to see that northeast wind becoming more east-northeast by the afternoon hours. That's really going to allow for warmer temperatures, with temperatures today in the mid-40s for highs. Seeing a little bit of reflectivity, the radar off the coast. That's associated with a developing area of low pressure. We'll be seeing some radar returns starting to develop across the north portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. That's going to be continuing to develop and then stretching into New Jersey. That'll sweep through our region for later on this afternoon into the evening hours, providing us with those chances of rain showers and that slight chance of a snow shower. Here's our prog charts for a Friday PM planner. You can see kind of detailing what I try to describe on the observation page there. We'll have some snow showers, especially across northern portions of Maryland, Delaware, and New Jersey. That could provide them with some accumulating snowfall. Moving to the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, we'll have a better chance of just seeing plain snow by this afternoon and evening, Not going to see very much accumulation across the region, maybe a dusting. And here at Wallops, we'll most likely just see some rain showers, the slight chance of the snow showers. Moving into our Saturday morning, we'll have high pressure starting to build in from the southeast states. That's going to provide us with seasonable conditions tonight. Moving into our Saturday afternoon, we'll have high pressure continuing to give us very nice conditions. And then for our Sunday, we'll have more upper level cloudiness across the area. We'll be seeing temperatures rebounding into the 50s as we'll have high pressure moving off the coast with a return southwesterly flow. Looking at our prog chart for today, our risk chart for today, we'll have green conditions this morning with no precipitation. Looking into the afternoon, evening hours, we'll have yellow for our precipitation across the region, looking at about a 30% chance of some light rainfall and a possibility of a snow shower as the precipitation ends, or some freezing drizzle. We'll have temperatures at around 44 degrees today for our high, and then moving into the overnight time period, we'll have temperatures around freezing during the overnight hours, and then by tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. we'll have temperatures rising into the mid 30s at 34 degrees. Our winds will be northwesterly tonight at 7 to 12 knots, and as I mentioned, this afternoon we'll have east-northeast winds at 6 to 11 knots. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we have a few clouds at 4,000 feet and an overcast deck at 7,000 feet. By noontime, we'll have a ceiling develop around 4,000 feet with another overcast deck at 7,000 feet. We'll have a slight chance of a rain shower after 12 o'clock today, and then after 2 o'clock, we'll have rain showers becoming more likely with a slight chance of a rain or snow shower mix from the 1700 to 1900 local time period. And then after 1900 local, we're going to have a slight chance, of some freezing drizzle or freezing rain. And by tomorrow morning, we'll have mostly sunny skies, few at 5,000 feet, few at 12,000 feet, scatter deck at 25,000 feet. Our tides are currently normal. Looking to the weekend, Saturday is going to be a nice day with high pressure in control. A chilly day, though, with mostly sunny skies, a high of 46 degrees, green chart. Looking at our Saturday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy skies and seasonable temperatures, a low of 33 degrees. And then for Sunday, we'll have mostly cloudy skies and seasonable temperatures, a high of 51 degrees. That's going to be a fairly decent day on Sunday, although we'll have a slight chance of a rain shower late Sunday, most likely during the late evening hours, looking like that chance about 10% right now. So the next 7 days, you're going to have that possibility of a PM rain shower today, and then for the overnight time period, we'll have temperatures dropping down in the around freezing, so 31 for a low here at Wallops. Tomorrow we'll have a 46 degree high temperature, 33 degrees for the low. And moving into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, models have been really having a difficult time with a system coming out of the southeast states during that time period. It looks like our weather will remain dry in general for all 3 days, although we cannot rule out a sprinkle on Sunday night into Monday, and also a light rain shower on Tuesday with a cold front moving through. And that cold front will move through Tuesday morning, and that's most likely the time period of that rain shower on Tuesday. And in the afternoon hours, we'll have northwesterly winds with downsloping off the Appalachian Mountains. That's going to provide us with above normal temperatures, a high of 59 degrees on Tuesday. And then for Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to have high pressure building back in. High temperature on Wednesday, a little bit cooler, 46 degrees behind that cold front. And then on Thursday, we'll have temperatures rebounding to right around seasonable averages of 50 degrees on Thursday. And one other thing I'd like to mention for this evening, if you are traveling in the Salisbury area, there could be some slippery spots on the roads, especially after 5 o'clock with that lingering snow shower across the region. So if you are out tonight, make sure you give yourself plenty of time and take it slow on the roads. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and 10 o'clock to look at our next week's weather.